Because good is judged by, I think, how unoffensive and how inspiring. Both those things at the same time.
So today we're going to be talking about what makes mixes good, what makes live sound good, and what makes it bad. I feel like there are like a top 10 like offenders that make things not good. And then there's also like, I think what makes things good is a little more abstract.
Because good is judged by, I think, how unoffensive and how inspiring. Both those things at the same time.
Lovely.
I think that's what good is, right? Because it's easy to offend in sound, but also on the other side, how inspiring is it for you to listen to?